Guys, I have found or discovered a new way of mounting my GoPro. Look at this. Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi di Kapcai Rideology. Yes, Ding Armando here, and today I am gonna tell you that I am ready and going to start and try to finish my mission. What is my mission? Yes, if you remember, I ever said before in my video about why I want to become a YouTuber. I will maybe put a link. It's a card, right? It's a card. I'll put somewhere in the corner here so that you can look back at that video. I did say that one day I will try to make a video series based on, I gave it a hashtag name, hashtag 75SG Mosque. So today I will start try to begin this mission and probably try to end it one day. 75 SG Mosque, that will be 75 video series. So hopefully, yes, inshallah, we will try to finish it. I want to capture all the mosques in Singapore in video, and whereby I will try to find among these 75 videos, if the mosque is available for drone shot, I will bring my drone along, but I know not many. So in today's series, I will kick off hashtag 75SG Mosque with the current 2020 biggest mosque in Singapore. Guess what it is? You guys know? No? Okay. When I reach there, then you will know. So I don't need to say it out now. So yeah, let's take a look where we're going today. So guys, today I have a different video position. So I will be combining two video shots, one from my Oppo R17 and another one will be from my GoPro shot with the new GoPro mounting that I discovered. I will be using GoPro original wristband mount, and then I have the extension here, and then I will be putting in my GoPro. Okay, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Take this out and put it there. Cool, don't drop. Looks like I cannot get it in. Can I get it in? Yes. One hand show. Okay, there you have it. Let's take a look from the front. It's an old GoPro Hero 3 Plus, and this is the mount that I'm going to be using. So we will see whether the video is going to be nice, whether there will be a lot of vibration or something. So here goes to the first mosque in the hashtag 75SG Mosque series. Where am I from? I am actually from Faber Walk, somewhere near in Clementi. So let's go. Okay, so let's go to but when I type this, then you will see where I'm going already. Okay, never mind. How do you spell this? Hey, you guys see that? Where am I going? So it's 28 kilometers, 29 minutes from here to Masjid Darul Ghufran. Okay, so see you there in 29 minutes time. And remember, this is the biggest mosque in Singapore currently, after its 2 years reconstruction. Before that, the title was held by Masjid Sultan, and now the biggest mosque in Singapore is Masjid Darul Ghufran. See you there. I've arrived here in Tampines. There behind me you can see it's Masjid Darul Ghufran. So let's take a look what's on the outside. There's still construction outside Masjid Darul Ghufran. So here in 2020, this is now the biggest mosque in Singapore. Unfortunately, we can't fly drone in Tampines because it's near to the Changi Airport. So no flying of drone here. You can't see it from the top view. Here we have the front signboard with the address. Very high. Still a lot of construction going on. So looks like I can't go around it. There's construction everywhere. We'll try to go up block 519D all the way to the highest floor, 16th floor, and we will see if we can get a better view from overhead. 519D is no good. Now we try 519C. It's the same here, 16 story. Just now there was zero view. We'll try this. Alright man, we get a nice view from the top. This is Tampines. There's Tampines Mall somewhere over there. And look at this. Masjid Darul Ghufran from block 519C. construction all over its surrounding, so I can't be going in circle over there. This is the best shot that I can get from top view of Masjid Darul Ghufran. There used to be a underground car park. I used to park there before, but now because of the COVID, they surrounded all the borders and we can't park inside, so I have to come here over across to park my motorbike, and we will walk to, that's the opening where the temperature screening is being taken. We will go there and we will see what Darul Ghufran looks like from the inside. See you. Kita nak cari tempat wuduk dia. Banyak kucing. Banyak tempat kena block off because of the COVID. Okay, we will wuduk here. Probably we'll go to the gents toilet first. Oh, nice lah. Slippers provided. So this is the prayer hall. Allahumma aftahli Allahumma rahmatullah. Gimbal. Okay, let me show you where Masjid Darul Ghufran is on the map of Singapore. This is the map of Singapore, and Darul Ghufran is in Tampines. It is on the eastern side of Singapore. Let's zoom in. Yes, Masjid Darul Ghufran in Tampines. Tampines Avenue 5. That's the road. Zoom out again and we'll see it's on the eastern side of Singapore. So there we have it, guys. One down, 74 to go. If what I checked from the internet Google site saying that Singapore has total of 75 mosques, we will see. So one down and 74 to go, and we'll see you in the next episode. Assalamualaikum.